how to download free ringtones on Android. You can follow 2 steps in order to download the ringtone, whether you want to use or you want to go to the ringtones website or you want to use the ringtones apps. So firstly, we will see how we can download ringtones via websites. For that, you have to open up a browser in your device that you are comfortable with. And here, you have to simply type in free ringtones. Now, from the search results, make sure to visit a trusted ringtone websites. So on this interface, you can simply open up this www.jets.net. After you have opened it up, scroll down a bit, and if you want to play the music, here are some paid ones and free ones. So you have to choose the free ones, and if you want to listen it, simply tap on this play icon. And if you want to download that song, tap on it, and then you have to tap on download link. And with that, this ringtone will be downloaded in your device, and you can set that as your device ringtone. Or if you want to use some ringtones application, you have to open a Play Store in your device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right, and in the search bar again search for free ringtones. Now from here you can choose some of the application, install it in your device, and with the help of that application you can download some of the free ringtones and set that as your ringtone in your mobile device. So that's how you can download free ringtones in your Android device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.